Welcome to topic 3 for Photoshop for photographers, and in this video lesson I'm going to show you how to use the vanishing point not only to place things in perspective but also to place things in perspective using 3D tools. On my right I have two layers. One layer is representing the room, as you can see, switch off, switch on, and on top I have this box here. What we're going to do, we're going to open the box in vanishing point and convert it into a 3D object, so we can not only position the box in a 2D direction but also in 3D directions. So let's start. Make sure you are on layer 3, which is representing the box here. Go to filter and vanishing point. Once you are in the vanishing point environment, select the create blend tool. It's on your upper left corner. Click on it, and I'm going to select the left side of this box here. Now to select the front side of the box, you need to press the Ctrl key, and from the middle handle here start dragging towards to your right. Some small modifications until you reach both sides. Now before pressing OK, we need to go in this small drop down menu here on the upper left corner. Click, and from the drop down menu I'm going to select return 3D layer to Photoshop. So I'm saying, listen, this perspective, return it to Photoshop in 3D object. Click on it, click OK, work a little bit. Yes. And now I have two layers. One is the 2D object, on top is the 3D object. We can remove this grid if you want. Just go to view and remove extras here. And we can also hide temporarily the 2D object, which we don't need. Okay. Now, how this differs from the second one? Instead of, I can rotate the object. Let's move it in the center here. So the object, it's no more 2D, but it's 3D. Obviously, you have already parts selected in the perspective. I have the left side part and the front side part. If I have selected other parts which were visible, I would have 3 parts. So what I'm going to do, I can put this here. I'm going to rotate it a little bit upwards. That's it. And I'm going to push it back to the wall. And there I have my box placed wherever I want. I can also use camera or whatever I want by going to the 3D tools. So here I have my custom perspective position. Instead of keeping it in 2D, I just turned it into a 3D object using my perspective tool and 3D tools. And this is how you can change your things into perspective, changing them in 3D and positioning them in any place you want. This technique is often used in interior design. When you have a photo of your room and then you would like to position some furniture in certain angles. And to position furniture in certain angles, we need the perspective tool and change the object in 3D like we've done right now.